माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आप लोगों को फिर से एक बार स्वागत है। लुक हियर इज गिवन इंक्रीज 90 बाई 10%। हमें 90 को 10% बढ़ाना है। ओके, नाउ लुक हियर, देयरफॉर इंक्रीज 10% of 90, therefore increase amount, we have to increase 10%। हमें 10% बढ़ाना है, 10% बढ़ाना है। सो 100 प्लस 10, नाउ होल डिवाइड 10। 100 में से 10 बढ़ गया है, ठीक है। नाउ लुक हियर, होल इनटू 90। ओके, नाउ इज इक्वल 110 बाई 100 multiply 90. This 0 and this 0 has been cancelled. Similar, this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Now 9 11s are 99. This is the answer and it is 10% increase of 90. It is 99. Okay. Now here is another one, decrease 320 by 20%। मतलब हमें यहाँ घटाना है 20%। So therefore decrease 20% of 320, therefore decrease amount is equal 100। हमें 20% घटाना है, we have to decrease 20%, so we have to subtract 20 from this 100 and whole divide 100. Okay, now whole multiply 320. Okay, now it will from 100 have to subtract 20. Now remain here only 80 by 100 multiply 320. This 0 and this 0 has been cancelled. Similar, this 0 and this 0 has been cancelled. Now 8 multiply 32. 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 8 3s are 24 and 125. It is 256. It has been decreased 20% from 320 and it is now 256. This is the answer. Okay. Now next one, increase 150 by 50%। हमें यहाँ पर बढ़ाना है 50%। ठीक है। Now look here, therefore increase 50% of 150, therefore increase amount is equal, we have to increase 50%, so we have to write here 100 plus 50, यानी हमें 50% बढ़ाना है। सो 100 से 50 को जोड़ना है। होल डिवाइड 100, होल मल्टीप्लाई 150. Okay, now 150 by 100 multiply 150. This 0 and this 0 has been cancelled. This 0 and this 0 has been cancelled. Now remain here only 15 multiply 15. So it will 225 and it has been increased 50% and now it is 225 from 150. Okay, thank you.